It is incredibly exciting to be back. I think it's not until you realise how many people have spent the last 15 months not being able to do what they do, by which I mean our chorus, orchestra technicians, all our crews, to see them back at work again and putting on an opera has been a source of huge pleasure and relief.
Of course, I knew that the day would come, but to be really here and to be with the people, with my colleagues, is just wonderful.
Art is a living, breathing thing, and it needs that honest, open communication that happens when we're face to face, especially with people that we're creating art with, because it's a flow of communication, and this is where magic happens when people come together.
To be finally preparing, it's just a joy. It's a relief, and one doesn't feel there is too much work because one is thankful that there is this possibility at all.
Logistically, behind the scenes, it's a very big undertaking. But everyone, the crews, musicians, all cast, they've all rallied together. I think it's taken everyone back to why they got into the business in the first place.
We're all really excited to be back in rehearsals for the first time in probably over a year and a half. We've been working really hard together online, doing Zoom sessions every week, but it's nothing like being face to face and singing together in the same space. So really exciting.
After so long being away from everyone, it's really nice to feel the sense of community with us all singing together and just to listen to everyone.
Being here is really nice. Kind of seeing these people that you only really saw on a screen, like seeing them in real life is, I think, it's just really wonderful.
I don't know if audiences are aware of this, but they are just as much part of the performance experience as the performers are. When we're on stage, we can feel the audience, we can feel the energy coming from them, and it really fuels us. This real energetic exchange, it's very, very real. And I hope that audiences know how we're just so excited to have them back.
Yeah, give people again some inspiration, some hope, some reason to be happy.